Hi everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite friends on Webtoon. Inviting friends on Webtoon is a great way to share your favorite series, earn rewards, and enjoy comics together. Launch open the Webtoon application on your Android or iOS device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're logged into the homepage of Webtoon, go ahead and tap on the My button at the bottom right corner, and from the My menu, go to the three dots at the top right. From the expanded menu, click on Invite Friends. You'll then be able to see your referral code on the screen. Simply tap on the Share Referral Code button at the bottom and then go ahead and select a friend, or you can also invite friends via messaging applications, social media, or via email. Once you see this expanded menu, you can select a contact or a social messaging app, or if you want to share it with someone else, tap on the copy button to copy your invitation code. Now, go ahead and share the referral code to anyone via text message, email, or messaging applications, and the recipient must be a new Webtoon user and redeem the code within 7 days of creating an account, and you'll then be able to invite them in the app. Remember that your friend usually needs to sign up using your link for the invite to count. Invite option may not appear in all regions, so if you have this referral code invite link, you can send it to your friend to invite them to the platform. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.